welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Brooke and welcome. In today's video, I thought it would be fun to take a break from the whole makeup side and jump over into something new. I actually have my cosmetology license, so I can do hair. It's not my first choice job right now, so I'm currently not doing it. I will do my friends and family, but as a job, I'm not currently doing it. So I thought it would be fun to show you all my 4 go-to summer hairstyles. These are so easy, anyone can do them. You just need a few products and you can get those summer hairstyles. So if you want to see how I do these for simple hairstyles, and when I say simple, they're so simple, like anyone can do them. So if you want to see them, then just keep on watching. Starting off with hairstyle number 1, it's a super cute messy bun, really an everyday hairstyle. You're going to need a comb, texture spray, hair tie, and some bobby pins. Starting off with just my natural hair, no products in it. I'm going to be taking the texture spray. I'm going to be spraying it all in my hair. This is a dry shampoo texture spray. You can really use any texture spray. I just like this one. I'm going to take my fingertips and massage it in so that way you have no white residue, because that is not cute. Then I'm going to be taking a comb. I'm going to be sectioning off my bangs to leave them out of the bun so that way they frame my face. So I'm just sectioning it about to the top of my ear, just leaving out enough hair to frame my face. And I'm putting the rest of the hair behind the ear, because that will actually go up into the bun. So it should look like something like this. And then, oops, I missed a piece. And then you're going to take the rest of the hair and pull it up into a nice high ponytail. You can do a low ponytail, wherever you really want your bun to sit. This is your preference. So I put mine kind of at the crown. That's where I like my bun to sit. So I'm pulling it back. I'm using a comb just to really slick it back. I think it looks nice and clean, and then you have your messy bun, and I really like the way that looks. So I'm making sure I have no bumps in my hair. Then I take my hair tie and I'm going to wrap it, and then I twist it, wrap it again, just like a normal ponytail, but on the 3rd time you just want to pull it through so you have like this little tree on your head. And I'm just going to pull it apart so that way I can get it as big as I want it. And so it should look like this. You should have your bottom section and then your tree on top. Then you take your bobby pins. This is the fun part. You can just pin it down wherever you want it, however big you want your bun, however you want your bun to look. So I'm pinning it down. I usually do 1 on each side and then 1 in the back, so that way it holds the bun up so it's standing straight up. Next, you're going to take the 2 sections in the back, split it in 2, twist it, and then pull it over into the front. And then I do the same thing on the other side. Just give it a little spritz. And then you can totally leave your hair like this. This is super cute. But what I like to do is curl my front pieces. This just gives it a little bit extra elegant look to it. But I'm curling away from my head, so that way it kind of gives it more volume and it's not just flat on your head. And this is the final look. Moving on to hairstyle number 2, what you'll need is texture spray, a comb, hairspray, and 3 clear elastics. Again, just starting off with my natural hair, I'm going to be spritzing it with some texture spray to give it a little bit of extra volume. And this hairstyle, I'm actually going to be curling it. You can do whatever you want. You can leave it straight, curl it, crimp it, whatever you want. That's your preference. But for this look, I'm actually going to be curling it. So that's what I'm going to be doing here. Once you have it all curled, you're going to want to give it a spray of hairspray, just so that way the curls stay throughout the day, because you don't want them to start going flat. Then I'm going to start sectioning off my hair. I end up sectioning them off in 3 sections. So I kind of just eyeballed it. Around 2 to 3 fingers wide is what you want to try to do. Then you twist it, and you're going to twist it all the way back as far as you want to go. I didn't go all the way to the crown, but like right before the crown. Then you just want to tie it off and pull it tight. This is the key to getting your twist to stay in place and not just go flat. You want to make sure that after you tie it off to pull that elastic tight. That will then keep the twist extremely tight on your head. So I'm just going to do this with the middle section, and then I do it again on the other side. And this is hairstyle number 2. Moving on to hairstyle number 3. This was probably the easiest one out of them. It literally only took me 2 minutes to do. All you need is a comb, hairspray, and 2 clear elastics. I'm going to start off by teasing my hair, and then I pull it into a low ponytail about to the nape of my neck. And I'm going to take a clear elastic to tie it off. I'm putting it a little loose because we're going to be pulling it apart and doing a topsy tail, which is pulling the hair through. And I'm going to tighten it, pulling it apart a little bit. And then I take another clear elastic and I tie it off at the ponytail, so that way it makes a nice tight ponytail. And this is hairstyle number 3. Hairstyle number 4, and the last hairstyle. All you need is a comb, 1 clear elastic, some bobby pins, and some hairspray. I'm going to start off by just recurling some pieces that got messed up from the last hairstyle from putting it up in a ponytail. And then I'm going to take a comb and I'm going to start parting off my hair, kind of like hairstyle number 1, but instead of pulling it behind my ears, I'm going to be taking it up into a half ponytail right there on top of my head, all the way back almost to the crown area. And then I'm going to take a clear elastic and tie it off. 1, 2, and on the third one you're going to pull through so you have that tree again. Then you're going to start bobby pinning it off. So this one's very similar to hairstyle number 1. All it is the half of hairstyle number 1. So you're not doing a full bun with all your hair, you're just doing a bun with the top half of your hair. Give it a little spritz of hairspray, and that is it. There's hairstyle number 4. I hope you all enjoyed my 4 go-to summer hairstyles. Like I said in the beginning, they're super easy. Anyone can do them, so give them a try. You might actually end up liking one and make it your go-to. I think my favorite one out of all 4 was the 3 twist. I love it. I've been doing it, and it's so easy. You just literally twist the 3 and you're done. Like, that's all you have to do, and you're done. You have a perfect hairstyle. I think I'm going to do a video on how I put in my hair extensions. This is my natural hair. It's very thin, so I wear extensions to give more volume. So I think I'm going to do a tutorial on that and show you kind of how I put them in and how I style them to make them look natural. But I think that's it. So don't forget, before you leave, to subscribe, because we are growing. And don't forget to click that bell so that way you're notified. And give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, so then I know and I can make more hair tutorials for you. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!